Subaru sells to all people. At one end, they build station wagons for families and rugged SUVs for campers and hikers. Those are slow. However, this is not. This is a WRX. It's a rally race car for the street, and for 2022, it's finally brand new. The WRX started out as a sporty version of the Impreza, but since the current Impreza generation came out for 2017, the WRX took an alternate path. Now, the new car rides on the same chassis as the Impreza, which is stronger and safer. That's the biggest change. The other big change, a turbo 2.4-liter engine. More displacement, more output, and less noise. The bad kind of engine noise. We've tried this same Boxer 4 in the 2022 BRZ without the turbo. It's more refined and progressive in its delivery. The WRX goes further, with 271 horsepower and 258 pound-feet of torque. But that's hardly any different than the 2021 model, and it makes less torque than this same turbo engine does in the Outback. But the suspension and steering are heavily revised with a new rear stabilizer bar mounted directly to the body instead of the subframe. The center of gravity is lower and the chassis is stiffer. It still looks like a WRX, but now the front fenders are aluminum and the front intakes direct air into the wheel wells. The rear fenders have new air outlets as well. This helps aerodynamics and stability at higher speeds. And that rear, it's very different than past Subarus and is similar to the new BRZ. We know you've got them, so share your thoughts down below. There's no question the interior is much better. The vertical touchscreen on the Outback is here, and it's almost 12 inches across. There's also lane centering and adaptive cruise control, which are new to the WRX. However, the latest version of Subaru's EyeSight still isn't available with the manual transmission. For that, you'll need the new GT trim with the CVT automatic. Subaru promises quicker shifts and response times with this transmission, which also comes with adaptive dampers. But would you buy a WRX with an automatic to get the EyeSight system? The STI is not yet available, but it's coming. We like the improved styling inside and out, and no doubt the WRX will remain very fun to drive. But we're curious if Subaru has made the WRX behave better in normal driving because it hasn't always been enjoyable on a stop-and-go commute. Expect a starting price below $30,000 and deliveries in early 2022. As always, keep watching for more new car previews and reviews.